Master the art of mixed conditionals, using correct verb tenses. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mixed conditionals. As you know, mastering these can be a challenge, but don't worry, we're going to make it as easy as pie. The key lies in using the correct verb tense in the main clause. Mixed conditionals are a bit different from other types of conditionals. These sentences are used to express a hypothetical situation and its probable, but unreal, past result. They blend the second and third conditionals to paint this picture. The structure typically involves two clauses: a if clause, condition, and a main clause, result. The structure of a mixed conditional sentence can vary, but generally, it looks like this. 1. If plus past perfect tense, would plus base verb, V1. Example: if I had studied harder, I would pass the exam. 2. If plus simple past tense, would have plus past participle, V3. Example: if I were you, I would have accepted the job offer. The first example presents an unreal past condition and a present unreal result, while the second presents an unreal present or future condition and a past unreal result. Now, let's delve into the crux of the topic, using the correct verb tense in the main clause. In mixed conditionals, the verb tense in the main clause depends on the tense used in the if clause. 1. If the if clause uses the past perfect tense, the main clause will use would, followed by the base form of the verb. Example: if I had seen you, I would say hello. 2. If the if clause uses the simple past tense, the main clause will use would have, followed by the past participle of the verb. Example: if I were at the party, I would have danced all night. This contrast between the condition and the result gives us the distinctive, mixed nature of these conditionals, allowing us to connect different times and situations in our statements. Well, that wraps up our deep dive into mixed conditionals and the crucial role of correct verb tense usage in the main clause. Remember, like any grammar rule, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these mixed conditionals, and before you know it, you'll be using them with ease. Until next time, happy learning!